Hello everybody, here's the captain from TrafficPartner.com, and I'm here today with Patrick from NMKR, a new platform technology for blockchain and NFT. Hi Patrick, how are you?
Hey, thank you so much for having me. I'm super well. How are you?
Great. Coming back from the Barcelona show, so there were a lot of people talking about cryptocurrency, blockchain, NFT, and yeah, I know you're very hot in this scene. You have a new product, the NMKR. So can you tell us a little bit how you had the idea and what is your product?
Sure. So NMKR is a tool to develop blockchain products. So basically, we are an infrastructure provider. We are providing you with the tools to develop whatever you like launch NFT collections or integrate NFTs into, I don't know, your existing product, stuff like that. And I basically came up with it a little bit over a year ago when I was writing my bachelor thesis about Cardano and about blockchains and NFTs and stuff like that. And then I decided to do this 1 week side project just to get distracted from my bachelor thesis. And then it kind of blew up overnight. And now I'm here, 1.2 million NFTs later and with, quite a big company.
Yeah, great success already. And yeah, mostly other platforms like OpenSea are based on Ethereum, and you choose the Cardano coin, so that makes it way cheaper, I guess, right?
Yes, exactly. Cardano has many advantages to Ethereum and many of the other chains. One of them is that it's cheaper. That's a big one, of course. The transaction fees on Ethereum, no normal person can use it, to be honest. And the other one is, of course, also the sustainability topic, because Ethereum is proof of work. So that's how it works behind the scenes. And it's very, very bad for the environment. I think Ethereum and Bitcoin together, they consume more energy than Switzerland or something crazy like that. And Cardano is pretty light on the environment because it's a completely different model, basically.
Yeah. For example, my son is also developing his own NFT called the Board OG, and he wanted to release it on OpenSea. And right now, with the down and the cryptocurrency, only the minting fees are so high, so it's very difficult to get people to invest there. So, when somebody wants to launch an NFT and is using the NMKR, so how he starts?
Yeah, so it's very simple actually. You simply go to our website at nmkr.io, and then you register there, and then you can upload your images or your videos or whatever you want to sell as an NFT or create as an NFT, and then you set up some settings there, and then then you're ready to go. Then you can basically click one button to launch it, or you can integrate it into your website, or if you're more technically capable, you can use our API and backend systems to really build a whole white label product around it. But I think the overall steps are quite simple. It's just uploading something, and there are no upfront costs, which is also really cool. Yeah. So it gets paid basically when the buyer is buying it.
Yeah. And then the other part is of course, when you release your NFT, you need an audience to buy it. So of course, big platforms have this audience. How you get people to your platform that you have also people to buy it, or is the promotion only on the side on the creators?
The promotion at the moment is only on the side of the creator. We are mostly white label. We are working on our own marketplace, like OpenSea. So we will have some sort of stuff there, and we of course also have a community on Twitter and everything. But we try to specifically not be like OpenSea, because we want to give the creators more freedom in how they sell their stuff. Because on OpenSea, basically, it doesn't matter if you're, I don't know, the next Leonardo da Vinci or some random guy selling a rock. You're placed in the exact same way, and then that's kind of just a one-size-fits-all solution, which is not really suitable for most cases. So we try to just give more options to the people and have them sell the NFTs through their own website, for example.
Yep. So I saw on your website you have different features, and some of them are still coming up. But what would you say, what is the best feature you are working on or you have already ready for the NFT creator scene or for the blockchain scene?
Oh, there are so many features. I think one of the big ones that we released recently is fiat payment. So you can literally just pay with your credit card and then receive the NFT anyway. So you don't even have to have a wallet, which is very important because I get asked every time when talking with corporations or companies or whatever, like how do people pay? Do they have to own Cardano? And that's of course not a good and satisfying answer. They always want to say, okay, our target group or our users, they don't own any cryptocurrencies. How can we get them to be part of this? And now we have fiat integration. So I think that's that just makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, definitely. And that's, I'm when I started with this cryptocurrency NFTs, and then I went there, and then you need first the MetaMask. Okay, what is the MetaMask? And then how to change the money, and where can I get the Ethereum? And then you need the blockchain, and then change it. And yeah, there's so many. For the mainstream people, it's so difficult to buy an NFT right now. So if you can make it with a credit card, that sounds like an awesome feature. Super. And yeah, and then of course, people in the moment they see NFTs going down, cryptocurrencies are going down. So where do you see this development of the blockchain technology with the cryptocurrencies and the NFT in the next, let's say, 3, 4, 5 years? So what do you think about it?
Yeah, I tend to look at things always in the long term. I don't really care about the price going down or up. Of course, it affects me because I run a business on blockchain, but it doesn't change anything about the future of cryptocurrencies. They're here to change the world in a way. And I expect that, of course, the price long term will always go up, but it's not really about the price. It's about the adoption and about the products that are being built using cryptocurrencies. And we have a lot more of them than we had, for example, 2 years ago. So it's getting more adopted. And in 5 years or 3 years, I can see a lot of like real businesses out there that are just normal businesses that use cryptocurrency technology, and NFTs specifically, to make their real business better in a way, because NFTs can support there. And and that's kind of what I envision, like less hype, less of these like monkey NFT drops and so on, but more real utility and more real use cases for everyone, every normal person, basically.
Yeah, of course. Long things, the hodlers are in. So I also believe that the blockchain technology is the long investment. So NFTs going up. And of course, there's a lot of speculation right now.
Of course, absolutely.
So we believe in the future of NFTs, in the blockchain. And this was Patrick from NMKR Pro, right? Is this the right? Or you changed your name a little bit? It was before NFT Maker Pro. Now it's NMKR. So you want to go deeper in the blockchain, not only NFT, right?
Yes, exactly. We used to be called NFT Maker. Now we're called NMKR. We're refocusing more and more on the infrastructure part. In the past, we have been doing a lot of things, but now we're really focusing, and we're really looking forward to just building the infrastructure for a decentralized future, basically.
That's the future. Together, now the future. Thank you very much, Patrick. And like we say in Germany, go Vollgas and check out the NMKR on the internet. You can find the link here in the description. And also subscribe my channel. See you soon. Thank you, Patrick. Bye-bye from the Captain, TrafficPartner.com. Check it out now.